Dude, 4 of us were ripping, man. How fast were you going when you passed me on that initially?
I know I was going over 100.
Yeah.
Not sure.
I hit 141 for a second when I was like trying to catch the 3. I was like, oh fuck, okay.
The only reason why I slowed down is because like when we were like gunning it that way, I was like eating up so much gas. I was like, all right.
Oh, dude, I know.
I gotta slow down. Like,
I literally used over a half a tank today.
Damn.
This thing gets such bad mileage.
It's about like I used like half a tank too.
Yeah.
So I started out at like just above half, and so I'm like almost at.
You're almost
empty.
Yeah,
So
I know.
I was like, I slowed way down.